Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're out in Nashville, Tennessee, and we're doing a Trex deck. So Trex is really nice. It's essentially composite plastic, composite wood, mostly a lot of plastic, I believe. And this particular one had some black on it from mold, had a lot underneath that area right there, underneath a lot of moss, lichen, and of course mold and mildew. But what I like about Trex and composite is you can put a fairly light mix on it. I've got a 3,500 PSI 5 gallon a minute. Did not go with my 8. I went with my 5 because I don't need that much pressure or that much water. About half idle. So we're probably closer to 1,500. And then I used my white fan tip. But this is the white fan tip to my 8 gallon a minute machine. So this is a 12 gallon a minute tip. So I'm running a 12 gallon a minute tip on a 5 gallon a minute machine. So I got a nice fan. I got low pressure. We're probably sitting at 500 to 800 PSI max now with all that. So hit it, rinse it, and then ball valve rinse it down. I'm about to ball valve rinse the last little bit, and I'm done. So Trex is really easy. You don't usually need a lot of pressure. You don't need a strong mix. You just need enough to about an 8-minute dwell time to where it starts turning colors or disappears. If it disappears too quick, too strong, doesn't disappear at all, then you can still work with this without it disappearing if needed. But you want it to kind of start at least changing colors to know that you're killing it, and then rinse it, call it art, very carefully, not high pressure at all, and it'll dry beautifully, and it's done. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing, Nashville, Tennessee.